built for precision, forged by light, powered by innovation. At the heart of production lies a high-powered laser system that is designed to cut and cleave glass with unmatched accuracy. Using a focused beam, the laser follows a programmed path, achieving sub-millimeter precision with every cut. Cutting and cleaving happen simultaneously to maximize the machine's throughput. The glass splits precisely along the pre-cut lines and is transported to the next stage. There are endless possibilities. The process is fully automated, flawless, and every shape is possible, even on light curved glass. The edges are cut with microscopic accuracy, ensuring a perfect result.